we're now going to check in with HGTV's Paul Lafrance.
Hi, Mark and Mandy. I'm here with Paul Lafrance from HGTV, and he's got some tips for us.
Oh, I got tips for you, all right. Okay, first and foremost, this is a DeWalt double compound sliding miter saw. And if
Say that 10 times fast.
Exactly. If you'll look at it, this is a 12-inch blade that cuts through a lot of things, including human flesh if you're not careful. So I'm going to teach you how to cut with this, but I'm going to give you a little bit of an extra little tip as a bonus. You ready?
Perfect.
Cool. Okay, so typically, we got a piece of wood here. Now, normally if you are going to be cutting, say you need a lot of pieces of wood at the same size, you, instead of measuring every single one out and actually cutting it, one of the tricks is we have an amazing little saw table here, and you set up what you call a stop or a jig. You take this little guy right here, and you click that up, and you set the distance from where you're going to be cutting to the stop. So let's say we want to go 42 inches to where we're going to be cutting. Then I slide this over to the 42. Let's release that, slide it in. There we go. 42. Lock it into place. And now, when you're cutting your other pieces, you don't have to measure anymore. You measure once, cut 347 times. Now, when you're cutting, you're gonna stand straight up, right? That way your scarf is not gonna get in your way.
Got it.
And you're gonna never start the blade touching the wood. You would never start the blade there. So you'll raise the blade there, then you start it, and then you cut. All you're gonna do is lower the blade right through the wood, and you're gonna be overwhelmingly amazed and addicted to cutting wood with this saw once you do this.
Awesome.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, start her up, slowly. Oh yeah! Now watch this, real quick. Boom. Get rid of that. Put that right back on the stop, and you're ready to go again.
Unreal.
That quick. That
There's
was amazing.
something new today.
Now take your glasses off. Do you still feel afraid?
No.
I am so proud of her.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.